T-E, key, love.
Yes! There's actual tequila in this!
I guess that's what we're going to have to use. Apparently we don't have any silver tequila.
We don't have Blanco, no. We've moved up in the world.
Okay, well.
Here we go!
Nice. Half an ounce of tequila.
I am in love with Terramana tequila. I just think it's so good. Power through it, David. Power through it. Come on, let's go.
Why do I smell it every time?
Don't cry about it.
Half an ounce of high quality triple sec.
It's always high quality triple sec.
I do have a bottle of balls that we have. Balls? I do have a bottle of BOLS triple sec that I haven't opened. Is that balls? Bowls? Bull?
I don't know, but that was great.
I have a bottle of balls I haven't opened yet.
That's an interesting problem.
Half an ounce of key lime pie rum cream.
So good. I love Blue Chair Bay. I haven't had anything by them I don't like yet.
What was the one that we haven't had? The coconut cream?
Coconut, yeah.
Let's do it. All right, I'm excited about this.
Oh, come on.
Was it believable? Did you
No,
believe
I didn't believe it. You can't stir it forever. Pour the drink. Wow, grumpy.
All right, here's to tequila.
Tequila.
Oh, babe.
Oh, I'm ready. Cheers.
Cheers.
So good. So good. Really? You didn't like it?
I don't like tequila. I mean,
I swear, you just look for the tequila taste.
that's a fair thing because I don't like that taste. That's like, hey, this has onions in it. I don't like onions. But
If I had made that for you and didn't tell you what was in it, you would have liked it. You just don't like it because, oh, I can taste the tequila. But you can't.
I taste tequila. I would drink this again.
That was not what I expected.